Alright guys, so this is my 2019 F-150 Lariat. It has these tires on it. They are 275, 55, 20s. So this does have the full panoramic moonroof. The Supercrew with the 5.5 foot box, don't mind the mess back there. It's a truck. So B&O sound system. Heated steering wheel, heated cooled seats, the ambient lighting. I absolutely love this truck, guys. So they are bigger than the rental Ecoboost that I had tried a couple years ago, because that thing had smaller tires. I actually got a 13.9 with that, and I believe it was like high 5 seconds 0 to 60. So I did some quarter-mile times the other night, so I just kind of wanted to give you an intro in the daytime. So as you'll see in the video, the first couple I believe I did at 2500-ish RPM, and then the last 3 runs I did around 1900. From what I read, 1800, 1900 was a good launch point. So here's all those runs. Okay, so that's awesome. I literally shaved like 0.2 of a second off the 0 to 60, and like 0.2 of a second on the quarter mile. So, but the trap speed was almost 96 miles an hour. So I actually forgot to put it into too high. I forgot to put it in two-wheel drive after I got off the line. So I think I can get a little bit higher trap speed. I do all my runs in the same spot. I try to anyways. Those 3 were all in the same spot. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I do want to do some more F-150 content. There's a lot of 5-liter content, but there's not enough Ecoboost content. I love the Ecoboost. It's really slept on. Like, the engine's great, and the Raptor, the Limited, even in the Ford GT. So yes, it's more beefed up, but it's a really strong engine, really strong transmission, and unfortunately, just because it's a Ford, it doesn't get the credit it deserves. So if you guys enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Feel free to comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see me do. I do want to put catch cans, intakes. I would love the Borla attacks. Right now, financially, for me, that's not a good idea, because I'm trying to finish my TL first. So if you guys also like Acura content, you can subscribe for that, because I have lots of that as well. So anyways, see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.